the Orange Democratic Movement special session of the National Governing Council meeting this 13th day of November 2025 at Fort Jesus, Mombasa County, and invoking its powers as set out under Article 52 and considering the obligations of the National Executive Council or Committee as set out under Article 51 and the duties of National Chairperson as provided for in the Article 18 as read together with the Article 15 of Orange Democratic Party Constitution, and recalling the meeting of National Executive Committee held on 12th October 2024. Do hereby resolve and adopt the report of the National Executive Committee dated 12th October 2024, seeking to fill the vacant position of National Chairperson with His Excellency Governor Gladys Wanga, and the same shall now constitute the record of Orange Democratic Movement Party, effecting the changes in the aforementioned position subject to ratification and adoption by the National Delegates Convention. As many of the said opinions say aye, of the contrary opinion say nay, the aye have it.
Thank you. Congratulations, Honorable Gladys Wanga. Asante sana.